Hello everyone, and today I'm going to make a new video on a series called 17 August Special. And today I'm gonna make this video about teaching you how us governments and normal citizens can solve Indonesia. Now, first major Indonesia problem is, well, maybe besides corruption, is attitude. Now, we all know attitude is more important than knowledge, blah, blah, blah. So I recommend schools have a lesson called attitude, which teaches them how to become nice, how to not say swear words, blah, 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 how to not think negatively, and think what they shouldn't think at their age, if you know what I mean. And we will add that lesson at primary school till high school, because high schoolers could say a bunch of bad words and stuff, right? I mean, they're almost adults. But attitude is always important. Second of all is that we must solve poverty. Now, the way I think we can solve it is by, donate some money to the homeless or poor people with taxes. The point of taxes is, well, according to my mom, is to build places, and then also to give it to the poor people. And also we must give it to people which are having no more parents, or at least one of them, his or her dad or mom. And thirdly, we must tell Cominfo that they should ban gambling on children's games. Alright? Well, I'm not saying that children's game can't have loot boxes. I'm saying that in children's games, sometimes that gambling ads pop up, but I think the issue is fixed. No idea though. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I love you all of my fans, and see you in the next video. Have a great time.